Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where a black screen occurs when installing new programs on Windows, then please watch this video. Now, if this is specific to a certain game or program, then I can understand, but if it happens each and every time, then try the following solutions. So, right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Display, and then make sure that the scale is set at Recommended and display resolution is also set at the recommended value. First solution. The next one is to update the graphics card driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. Now you can expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers. And then you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.